Hey people, and so the lockdown has been extended to May 1st. It's like, I mean, technically, when you really think of it, this is like government sanctioned holidays. Yeah, I mean, it couldn't get better than this. I mean, like, no, if you were to look at the whole thing in a positive light. But then on the other hand, people, we have to really there are these different kind of shows that you can binge watch when you're not doing 108 times Surya Namaskar and reading and other and writing and other intellectual activities. So among these different shows is there's this a show called Extreme Engagement that is on Netflix, and it's about this engaged couple who go across the planet to these. They are living with tribes and all, tribal people, to learn about these very strange rituals that have apparently helped couples to stay together. I mean, it like strange rituals involve, living in with some living in a hut in with some African tribe, or in Indonesia they have, like, as part of the courtship dance, the males of that village have to, like, the eligible males, they have to kind of dress up and take part in like a sword fight, so it's not anything mushy as such, but it's called Extreme Engagement, and it's on Netflix. So hopefully I should try and find these other nice shows, and I'll speak about it in my other videos. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.